So this is the good side of this hydraulic attachment. Yeah, I will show you the other side soon. This side will do as it is. I've ordered some new bushings. I don't have a line boring tool or anything like that, so I just have to manually try to get this hole as snug as possible by hand and weld it up well on the other side. So this is the original bushing, or what's left of it. And I think it's a brass soft one. But I found this instead. This is like already a really, if I even get it in place, it's a really snug fit. So I will try to mount this and lock it in with a bearing retaining compound. Now this is the worn out side. So I'll try to fill this gap here with weld and grind it as snug as possible. So this is how bad it actually was. I mean, this one is even better than the bushing that was here. I mean, it's really terrible. He must have totally forgotten to lube this. And if I don't manage to do this grinding here as good as I want it to be, I happen to find this socket that is almost the size of what the hole is supposed to be. This bushing is 85 millimeters on the outside, and this is 84, and this sandpaper is 0.5. That actually makes it 85 millimeters. So if I somehow can turn this inside here, then it should be quite good enough. If this machine were to work 8 hours a day, this would never be the solution I would go for. But now, since it just will be on a moving some snow in the winter and maybe move some tools in the summer, it will definitely be good enough. So I started up with fixing this. This was really worn out. So I welded it up and managed to hook it up in my little lathe and turned it down. So this actually fits really good now on this one. It doesn't look pretty, but it's good enough. And I didn't take a video when I was disassemble all this because it was like a snowstorm and I was in a hurry. But hopefully I will mount this back in this video, so you will get to see how everything comes together, how it works. So here you can see what's missing pretty good, I think. This backside here. This is where I will fill up with weld. So maybe I will start with just one side here, then I might be able to use that for guidance or something. I've never done this before. This is where we are. I welded a bit too far up here in the beginning. I guess just to keep going. started to get really close now. It is, I won't get it in from either side, so. Maybe we just try that socket thing. I'm curious how it works, if it works. So this is my stupid idea. This was a socket that was almost the size of this one. It's slightly smaller, so with this on, it is like exactly the size of this. So with this on, it's almost exactly the size of this one. So to turn this, I found a bolt that I turned down to fit in this drilling machine. Starting off good. Maybe I could glue this on somehow. It works great. I guess that idea is busted. Go back to grinding. Okay, I give up. This will take a while. This is where I'm at. I don't think I will get any closer with this method. So I will just starting to mount this now. Put on this bearing retaining compound. think I'll leave it flush with the inside, because there where the, it should be where the most load is. So this is the piston cylinder itself, threaded into these pieces and locked with this bolt here. And this is the sleeve that go in this bushing here. That is just threaded in here. And when it's threaded in, you lock it with this bolt, the same bolt as locks the cylinder there. First you put the pistons in. But I have to lower it down to this bushings before I can put the pistons in. I think that's good. Need to try to fit these O-rings and shims first too. This will be interesting. Okay. So there is the piston. There it goes. I'm just careful because I don't want this to fall off. Oh, there will be air inside here. So I will open this just to let some air out. will put some grease in here now, because I don't want to grease everything up. I will wait 24 hours or so that compound maybe hardens a little bit. So this has his own bushing inside here. Almost forgot the O-ring, but I'm not sure if there's supposed to be one, but I have one, so. Okay. And for this, I made a special tool. And with the first I loosened this, I tried so many times with welding stuff, but I forgot to loosen the tightening bolt here. So once I loosened that, it was a piece of cake. Like so. So what I meant was, I don't want that push grease through the grease fitting to maybe push out the compound. So that's what I will wait for, but this is okay. So when you put grease in here, it goes through the hole in this bushing, and there is a ring around. And there is a ring around this one, a groove, and a hole. Here it's a hole that loops this one inside here too. It has a little better feel to it now than at the beginning. It's just to lock everything down with these two bolts. Clamps these sleeves so they can't be loosened. Oh. mount all these shims that fell out when I was installing the front loader. I wasn't forgetting about it. I just wanted to mount the loader as fast as possible and clean all this up before I mounted them. They were full of dirt and stuff. I also want at least one shim on each side, because I think that helps the grease stay in and also some wear and tear from the side on this. Now it's just to grease everything. Almost forgot this one. I think that was the last one. So I think this is completely finished now. So I'm just gonna take it out and mount the forks again. See if it works, the lock and everything. I don't feel any, at least. So it might be better than, it is better than before, for sure. So let's take it outside. I traded in this for the wheel loader. Yeah. So we're gonna try to lift it down.
Kul med fyrhjuling.
So now I have another project to do at some time. You can tell right away, I think the headlights need to be adjusted a little bit. So I think I will start with that. Last night we picked up a bucket for the wheel loader too, from a really nice guy that commented on last video. He wanted 24 cans of beer for it, so that's okay. And I think the color match will be amazing with the blue bucket and the red wheel loader. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And enjoy the holidays.